In this Web Agency Fortune Volume 6 review, I'm going to be showing you how you can create stunning and professional business websites in 3 steps that are 100% done for you, that you can sell to businesses and keep 100% of the profit. And make sure you stay to the end of this review, as I'm also going to show you all the different OTOs and upgrades so you know exactly what you're getting into if you decide to purchase. If you're new to my channel, my name is Mike Thomas. I'm a 7-figure affiliate marketer. I do these reviews every single day so that you can get the best deals and upcoming software and courses. If at any point during this review you want to check out Web Agency Fortune Volume 6, just go ahead and click that link below. Also, please like this video. It really helps out with my YouTube channel and I appreciate it. And make sure you hit that subscribe button and bell notification. Last thing before we jump in here, I just want to show you my bonus page. I've got a ton of extra bonuses that you're going to be getting if you purchase this through my link. All these bonuses will be waiting for you right inside of Warrior Plus after you purchase through my link. Let's take a look at the sales page here together. It says create stunning and professional business websites in 3 steps, no design skills required, 100% done for you, WordPress based, mobile optimized, and ready to sell in minutes. So essentially what this is, these are done for you website templates that you can install on WordPress and have them all ready to go to sell to businesses. 100% customizable, create and install within minutes, built for WordPress, easy to use, commercial rights included, no design skills or coding ever, and content and sales video are all included. So step 1, you pick a niche in their collection of done for you niche website and templates. Step 2, install their website templates in minutes, and then you can sell these to different businesses. Now they have different ones here, and you can actually click on them and check them out here. So I'm going to click on one of them and open up one of these here. While I'm looking at it, you can see it's like church, yoga center, travel agency, agency style too, agency style, welder businesses, pool services, different businesses that you can sell these websites to. Now my internet's a little bit slow right now, so it's pulling this up, but here we go. You can see here, credit repair professionals in your city, nice looking website. You can customize all of this for your client's need. And of course, you can go here when you come to the sales page and click on all these, check and see what they look like on your computer and see exactly what you're going to be able to provide to your customers. So you can see here, this is check out how much money freelancers and agencies are making selling websites. 3-page WordPress website sold for $1,500. Here's another one here for a professional medical website, $1,300 or almost $1,400 for that one. $2,000 for a simple startup website, and just like here's another one here, $595 a month for website creation. Here's another one here, agency charging $3,000 and $4,000 for a starter site, and then charging monthly. So you can even charge monthly for websites that you create with this. So it's going to have everything all done for you, everything you can change and customize, and they have tutorials on how to set everything up included as well with this, full training on the front end here, unlimited websites, unlimited clients, unlimited commercial license, all these different things included on the front end. So what I'm going to do is play you a quick little video explaining this a little bit more, then I'm going to come back and show you the OTOs.
Web Agency Fortune, done for you web design business. If you're looking for a quick and easy solution to create beautiful, high-converting business websites, look no further. Today, you can get a beautiful, functional agency website with ready-to-use content, plus 6 local business websites to sell again and again. With Web Agency Fortune, you can start your own website design agency in minutes from now and profit from high-paying local businesses. Step 1. Pick a niche in our collection of done-for-you niche website templates with ready-to-use images and content. Step 2. Install our stunning website template to your WordPress site and customize in minutes. Step 3. Sell and profit from local businesses who are using old, outdated websites. You can find plenty of them out there. Your clients will be happy to pay you. You will be happy delivering a tangible service, and you can get the job done in minutes as it's crazy easy to install each template. Our website design templates are professional, beautiful, and are loaded with ready-to-use images and content. They're 100% responsive and look good on all devices. You also get an agency website to help you sell your website services. Web Agency Fortune is a done-for-you solution for a service with huge demand. In this special offer, you can get everything for the price of less than a WordPress theme. Check out Web Agency Fortune today.
Okay, so we are back. Now, this is the first upgrade you're going to see. It says, get a stunning landing page and up to 7 pages for each niche, allowing you to make more money from each client. So you're going to be able to have even more things to be able to add into this for your website to be able to add more value into each one here on these different pages. So it's not only going to have that front end page with it, but all these other pages with it. Of course, that's an optional upgrade for this one. The next one here is different materials. Get a high converting sales video for each website template. And then it says save thousands on sub websites fast with done for you web agency fortune marketing package. So this is a done for you marketing bundle. The next one you're going to see here is get access to website, videos, and social media images and 46 new niches. So it's going to give you a bunch of even more niches here for this. So you're going to see all these once you come to this page, all these different niches that you can use this for. The next one you're going to see, get access to 60 world-class whiteboard videos. You can use these whiteboard videos to actually sell these. The next one, it says you can have your own done-for-you website and another niche of your choice. So this one you can actually customize it. This one costs a little bit more, but of course you get to actually choose the niche of your choice. All these OTOs are optional. Pick and choose the ones that you want and forget the ones that you don't. Okay, so what do I like about Web Agency Volume 6 and what don't I like about it? If I had to say something that I don't like about this, you will need to have a WordPress website. So your customers, if they have a website already, you can install it on their domain, but you will need website, domain, and hosting. What do I like about this? It's all done for you. If you've ever wanted to provide websites for your customers, if you want to provide this as a service and you don't know how to do design, then definitely check this out. Thank you so much for checking out my review today. If you want to take a look at Web Agency Fortune Volume 6, go ahead and click that link below. Also, please like this video. It really helps out with my YouTube channel and I appreciate it. And make sure you hit that subscribe button and bell notification. As always, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you again in my next review video. Thanks.